This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Laravel project in VS Code. First, ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your system. Then, you'll need PHP, Composer, and Node.js ready for your development environment. We'll then create a fresh Laravel project using Composer's Create Project command, which typically takes only a few moments. Finally, open this new project folder directly within VS Code to begin your development journey. To truly optimize your Laravel workflow in VS Code, several extensions are indispensable. PHP IntelliFence provides robust code completion and error checking, significantly boosting your coding speed. Laravel Blade Snippets offers quick shortcuts for blade syntax, saving you precious keystrokes. .env ensures your environment files are clearly highlighted, and GitLens provides powerful Git integration right within your editor, making version control seamless. Debugging is crucial, and VS Code excels here. Configure Xdebug to step through your PHP code line by line, identifying issues with precision. The integrated terminal is perfect for executing artisan commands, like migrations or serving your application, without leaving the editor. Multi-cursor editing allows you to make identical changes across multiple lines simultaneously, a huge time saver. Plus, the built-in source control makes managing your Git repository straightforward. VS Code offers extensive customization to tailor your environment. Adjust settings like font size, line height, and autosave behavior to match your preferences. For optimal performance, consider disabling extensions you don't frequently use, especially on larger projects. Personalize your workspace with various themes and icon packs to improve readability and visual comfort. Remember, both user and workspace settings allow for consistent configurations across all your Laravel projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.